Under 1,000, a power bank with some wireless charging speed up its sleeve, compact, stylish, and budget-friendly. It's an excellent choice for those who need reliable power on the go. Wireless charging might not be anywhere close to emerging as a viable alternative to its wired counterpart, but it is certainly getting more popular, as can be seen from the fact that a number of power banks today come with a wireless charging option. What's more, these power banks are getting easier on the pocket too. A year or so ago, getting a power bank with 10,000 mAh capacity with support for both wired as well as wireless charging, and that too at decent speeds, for a price in the vicinity of 1,000 rupees was pretty much impossible. Power banks that did offer wireless charging support often did so at extremely slow speeds, 5 watts per 7.5 watts, making the feature more of a spec sheet add-on rather than something that could actually be used. However, as wireless charging makes its way into the mainstream, power banks with good wired and wireless charging speeds are becoming not only more common but also more affordable. And if you are on a really tight budget, then one of the best you can get is the Ambrane Aerosync Snap, which comes with an official price tag of 1,599 rupees, but is often available at much lower prices and sometimes even dips below the 1,000 rupees mark, which is why it is in this column. Power banks that did offer wireless charge. The power bank is about 12 millimeters long and weighs around 270 grams. It is a little heavier than a smartphone, but is small enough to be easily carried inside a jacket pocket and will not take up too much space even inside a bag. You get a magnetic ring in the box as well as a rather short, 6-inch USB Type-C to Type-C cable. My YouTube channel, please like, comment, share and subscribe.